Live on Adom TV ena wani go so a wo hwe na busianfo ba bia wo bia no ya mo adwo amo akwaba e de aba Agoro Ne Fom dwumadie no dwumadie a ye de mpanyifo atitufo eba so na yedi nkomo a esene fata ebo ama Ghana Agoro no etimi etu empon agode mu nsem bia esene fata bia no ye ka ho asem e wo hanemo ene anadwi so ye de Nyankopon aseso de ache yen na ye hyehye mu afi ye ba bedi nkomo nya hwese de niema esifa ekoso ene nsem bebre ena esie Endwa Ghana mampanyine ehia nsentwerofo ama odensem bebre e de tudwa na nsem odi tudwa efa Ghana all the important national issues no na agudi mu nsem so eka ho ama enne wona ba bia Ghana fo eka ho asem nsentwerofo ene obi na nigi Agoro no so eka ho asem anope enne anadwu ye beka ho asem yetimi akoyanim mede de kwadwo mensa mo show Agoro Ne Fom dwumadi na hwe ewo Adom TV so meda so akai se ode wafidie no ebeto hanemo afi yehase na yeni enkomo yewoda anadwo bia ebo nonkron epai mu 9:30 p.m. we are live on Adom TV na yede dwumadie no ede abrewe ne hwan ena mene no etwetwe enkomo ewo dwumadie yi so enche bia ena okokeka ensem bi ewo radio stations ne so okan bi Asempa FM so okan bi City FM so okasaye ede fa Ghana our inability and akwan afa so a ama Ghana antimi unqualify anchor World Cup ebe wiase no ne afre no ede ne ko the Ethics Committee of the Ghana Football Association emwaye ba ye ni se on bepa chow na afi de oyeye no man san enye biom under suban padi ase opanyina olidi Ghana football adenti de ba ne sa na nadwen kire ni sen onye di se mpanyifo ene ne di niye anase onya atentrene ne ewo sede emwaye a free Ethics Committee ne eba ye no Wilfred Kwaku osai Palmer panyina Oda Tema Youth Football Club ano oye executive committee member of the Ghana Football Association, the chairman of the finance committee of the Ghana Football Association, and also the president and chairman of Tema Youth Football Club. Wilfred Kwaku Osepama Pama Kwaba.
Yeah.
Bibi aboko de. Anadwi yera se to nsefro waba.
Oh, obade kwama yana wanzia na seto saframa. No adam ba me grace occasion.
That's right.
It's my buyer, my one there, Eddie White. No,
Eddie White.
It's my friend that triumphant entry.
Papa mama mami.
My friend triumphant entry.
The triumphant
entry
to
multimedia. Multimedia.
Okay, triumphant entry to multimedia.
Yes.
Not the year 2018.
Oh, 2018
you remember that?
You grace Boko Grace.
Welcome that say a friend Wilfred Kwaku Osai Palmer or yeah Madika introduce no said the chairman of the finance committee of the Ghana Football Association and the vice chairman of the Black Stars Management Committee Black Stars so this year Jumadi bebre honoma eso mudi so far as the Black Stars are concerned what I saw be to us and I saw to us so ni nyina aye nsema bisa no ende Palmer bibia boko de Tema Youth muko relegation.
Yes.
It was a team and I was prospect pa. Number one of the best midfielders in the Gabi Leve and Alave. Gabriel Lave.
Joseph Pencil. James
Akamenkun.
Na Yusuf Ibrahim.
Number of very good players, but you know man so me. Number of very good players. But why are they muko relegation?
One game.
One game?
One way. And in this competition I have one, the moment I ever miss that critical game, no, now you are done. I'm right Elmina Sharks about Thomas Sports Stadium. I lose the game in I knew we were in Division 1.
Mahaniso.
And I'm there. You program BBR now 40 points secure. So 40 points secure now. As at that time, any elimination you were heading towards 34. And only one game at all against Bechem United. Now, or they were there. Only a miracle. Nobody was saving. That miracle never happened.
No, but that day, me na Tema Sports Stadium. I na share game ni bi. Tema Youth versus Elmina Sharks. Now, Elmina Sharks are a newly promoted side. And amazingly, game na mulusu because then your first day I don't share game whatever. Youth game. But that day performance was very poor. Then you see what happened.
Every dog has its bad day, and that day we played very, very bad game. And boys in the way, no one in our ways went as it. And I'm there. When I watch a performance, what did you know? Now, we joke him. And I was very, very categorical with them. The me investment, maybe be a wabafo. Now, I would now have to devise a new financial package for them. And I'm there. So I'm continuing with your bonus or subsequent games. And I said, when to stay or premiership. I have wasted my money or my resources in vain. And going forward, you design a new bonus scheme, and the scheme was that women now will stay in the premiership in order for them to merit all the bonuses are where you due. Whether they won the game or they did not win the game, we would have paid them those bonuses. When Team One fulfilled that bargain, and for that matter, we also did not honor our pledge. And going forward, we actually have a whole lot of lessons. So if I'm playing in a league and I set objectives, I set objectives. Now I set me or friend then bonus package, based on what boys able to achieve. Yeah, friend, you were Division 1. Now, if I want them to qualify for the Premiership, I set the objective that if you qualify me into the Premiership, I'm about 5,000 Ghana cedis. Instead of paying them on weekly basis or on match basis bonuses, you boy maybe when two one qualify, where the best second, where the third. At the end of it all, you have spent money.
Yeah.
But
quite how fast they qualify by Premier, very amazing. People among for say because of that singular decision, say wo Palmer, obeko court and abeko court of arbitration for sports among for elusu. I mean, trust. Our Ghana, the football judicial bodies, and I said the judicial system now, they run it Ghana for i.e. Disciplinary Committee, Ethics Committee, Appeals Committee, any review committee, among for lusu in and I said trust because who call cast and only justice war. Do you agree with Sanko for no?
Oh, me, I agree with them. And I'm there. So if you are part of a system, now and their system, to really sanitize.
Did you say you agree or you don't agree?
I don't agree with them.
You don't agree?
Yeah.
But what is justice? Why you want to cast?
Yes, me and them justice, but I mean, I say the GFA system, the judicial system. I rather help in sanitizing the system. And I'm there. Obia, we are seeing, you seek for fairness. And if fairness one serve in terms of award of decision of the Appeals Committee and the Disciplinary Committee, prefer the Botumako as far as CAS, for which Mampupumiti, as a law-abiding person, as a member of the FA, man take to any short corners. Me making sure that I the full grievance procedure in order for me to get justice. At the end of it all, it was said, and everybody who will sit here and rule should be mindful of the fact that there is an invisible force outside Ghana on who ruling. It's a rule that's when anybody are aggrieved. You can move as far as CAS to seek redress. Okay.
Who believe the after our case now they call CAS are winning here at Uber Premier. Now you are back to Division 1. Because we're in justice. Ghana, your judicial system, the football judicial system. Do you still have trust in them after that incident?
Or more trust in them. And I'm there. Yeah, and yet there the punish will be. But to prompt everybody there going forward, a ruling be mindful of the fact that we are investing in the game. So I'm investing in the game. I seek justice and nothing else. It's a man share ruling based on a relationship. At the end of it all, about here ruling subsequently there's an improvement, although Bebree are ending controversies here and there and whatnot. Meaning your progression, you go through. At the end of it all, you are going to strengthen your judicial system to the extent the body baby no. Now, whatever ruling that they give, all aggrieved parties will be satisfied and wouldn't have to go to a CAS in order to seek judgment. Oya Akwanchire na wadaho, and it has shown clearly the se yankasa yambra na yeze ibuo yeze bobo no yamfanye ejuma se yeze ejuma wouldn't have any issues. So far as I'm a member, na me happy with a ruling. I'm any bias in your ruling, I can go as far as CAS to seek redress until the system is perfected.
Until the system is perfected.
Yeah.
Next, the system is not perfect.
Or your process. You cannot have 100% proof in a Equacasa. In Ghana for GFA for one cases no. There are so many myriad of cases. Even UEFA Champions League award, they tend to have cases. In almost all the advanced countries younger saying with the world football one but once with the cast athletics or swimming or manner of sports or it doesn't mean that association are so porous in terms of one judicial system and on at that point when I was in a case in rule that is the way they saw it. I also saw it differently and felt they had been unfairly treated and pursued that course. So maybe justice, that doesn't mean the judicial system is so porous that we cannot perfect it as and when we move along. Because as I've pointed out, Equacasa on your GFA once I'm no go. There are other bodies that want to go.
We have been friend Kwako say Pama and I education come on higher. Adom TV so and our air share now. Agoro Ne Fom age, but you know, the Kwajo men some show. So now you can judicial system of the Ghana Football Association. A Ghana Football Association at Tia, AD and Sema Hodro, F. Hodmo. A couple of them, Alande, Wilfred Kwako, say Pama, or the Ethics Committee of the Federation. And whom wire Abba, ama yesi only Jumabi. Maybe Sano, say no so, or the Casa, option 4. Live on Adom TV and when you go so I share the media the Kwajo men some more social Agoro Ne Fom any Jumadie no na many Wilfred Kwaku say Pamatema youth chairman, vice chairman of the Ghana Football Black Stars Management Committee. So be say when you chairman president.
Russia flame bow.
Kwaku me can be wa Ethics Committee was a decision on alleged unethical comments made by the GFA Executive Committee member Wilfred Osekweku. Okay. Decision on alleged unethical comments. Unethical comments made by GFA Executive Committee member Wilfred Kwaku Osepama. Kese oko kan asembia na sese oka. Unethical. The Agoro Ne Fom. Now let me read the last paragraph and then wait me here no. Or say decision or say for me kind baby ye dia asem no wi no nsem apam akoka ye ne de esi wonye na me wi amatroma no yi ano. 1 or say the committee finds Mr. Wilfred Kwaku Osepama's comment on City FM, okay, as very inappropriate and should not be repeated. Okay. 2, Mr. Wilfred Kwaku Osei should write a letter of apology. Okay. To the GFA Executive Committee, the GFA, and the Minister of Sports within 14 days on receipt of this decision.
Asem wasemam kabi ntimi na.
Wasemam kabi.
Ntimi nko okra.
Nko okra. Asem ka asem bi otu okra.
Not to repeat.
Okay, repeat.
That is my first corridor the bomb. Was not to repeat. Now we go repeat. In the Ethics Committee, one was a blatter bad down. And you want me to
blatter bad.
Yeah, you want me to get them. Oh, and I said they did some investigation with the regime, and some of the members were found culpable. At the end of it all, the fee bra administration, and it brought him down. Oma other international bodies, countries are very strong. FIFA, like the US, the United Kingdom, also is trying to seek revenge for not being awarded the World Cup.
Okay.
Got at the Blatter administration, and at the end of the day, opposition.
As someone can on any given day, will you stand by it?
What's my Kebio? Me a abiding member of the FA. Ethics Committee, you know, Makade Mubuan, and I'm there. Say a year committee. Na osi committee no na za no bote with this in the youngest members no. Yeah, anything on ethical, they should investigate it. They should make sure that we pronounce whatever judgment that is on us. And such a body must be independent to function effectively. But respect one. And if they have given an award of a decision, I cannot stand on their way, but to abide by it. The kind there. Any time I find myself in this situation, I'm resolve, and it gives me more motivation to go forward. And I'm there as up and coming administrator. I want to achieve perfection as and when I move up. It's a me be now correct ma. Mejitum, menye 100% perfect. Mejitum. Okay. To which me to me medium me makacha that I'm very sorry for whatever I said. It will never be repeated to anywhere in my discourse or whatever. Men bodo ubebia, mamu atremumu, and the facts so that we rule in that regard doesn't also have to calm me down, and whatever our friend and but another any confidence will be shattered and whatnot. I don't think that is what I have to behave. May make sure that may stay in my usual self as Wilfred. Okay. Anything strange from that.
Okay. So you apologizing to the
to Ghanaians, to the ministry, to the GFA, and to the executive committee and my colleagues. Your executive committee, you can have a discussion. Maybe you brainstorm. Now a use term be on we call it on parliamentary language. In parliament, what happened? It's when the speaker will draw attention or say, honorable member would like you to apologize today. It is about democracy. Now, if I don't cultivate such habits, now say me feel there, I'm always right in whatever I say. I don't think it augurs well for me as a young administrator. I need to know the with your honor the with here. As I'm there, the ethics committee should also be proactive. Proactive in the sense that more may and far only comments being made by members to be the your friend and job our the ethics committee here. There are so many things that the ethics committee can also do, especially when certain allegations are made against the FA or any member. That I mean, if you say be a marco or friend and competition, marco misconduct, that is. Do those kind of jobs too. Otherwise, people will see, say,
Official Ethics Committee that you want to wear in your complete.
Oh, or then Yankasa, you empower one. You see, or your association, they empower one. You empower one for them to see the full course of whatever objective that you have set in your statutes and the regulations. Sayana Dama, you will cripple them. They will be ineffective. They will not be as active as you expect them to be.
Okay.
And see, we need to make the ethics committee proactive, as better than how they are functioning now.
They now you can say apologize to the GFA, apologize to the executive committee, apologize to the Minister of Youth and Sports. Maybe me can say asema o kan ye no. And I for any one more okay. Asema pa ma kan ye no. O kan bi o me show you on Asempa FM. And so now Kokan or City FM. In fact, I don't know can first. Kokan said, your name will be a indemnity payment be a year. Any unclassified payment be a year. Abra Yebo World Cup qualifiers. No.
It's here for you. Disclaimer. Me issue disclaimer. I'm count. As some come say you can. I'm count.
Now, can you try for Pama? So what can I say?
Me may issue disclaimer.
So let me talk. And your friend say, I said no, or say, says can you tria said be referees be fair amaye na ye 20 na e man ye din ma ye say wan ka say ntia qualify o say man ye din na ke tria ya e bia anka boa me yetimi qualify for World Cup na pay for say ntia say ne friend today we render that apology but okay you think say now no sa on classified payment once am ko kan ye no yenkoso na yentua na se ma yenkoso ntua
emfa me nko maboko gyenchi akire
sa
mo show me from father line because me nko
onko
Debe.
was that ethics committee were they fair to you
unethical behavior and have been charged? There's an award of a decision that I have to abide by it.
Okay. Now, in recent times, what the other actually no, your friend Ratich Yahin, I am aware. Your friend Nana Odru Safo, me aware. Your friend Baba Gedo, me aware. Your ton Safre Papa Kosi Indium, me aware. Your friend Ura George Afriye, who is the vice president of the Ghana Football Association. All of these people are alleged to have made unethical statements on various media platforms. Football na infa na air contia. Prominent people are making these statements, including you yourself. How you made to apologize?
The issue is before the committee, and any statement I may make will be very prejudicial to whatever they are going to rule on it. I will rather say the moment a pattern by comments made by a member of the FA, we'll get to a certain point. If you even ask somebody to comment on a matter, that person will not be able to do it. So let us veer off a little bit and do other related jobs or the ethics committee here, rather than comments being passed by members.
But the question is, why it says so many football people are making unethical statement? Why?
I set up a very strong research team.
Research team?
Yeah, to find out. To find out, because at that point, in the course of discussions, now, Bibia to me, see, immortal, in the spirit, in the spiritual realm now, you tend to say all sort of things.
Oh, so now can you in the spiritual realm?
No,
but the trend is the necessary. They say so many football administrators, people are in places of authority, are making various unethical statements allegedly. Before the ethics committee, and I'm asking you why has had friends, echo the way
and
it is going.
Say, most of the invites, is centers around the fact that they make unethical comments
on radio.
We should veer off from that. We should veer off. Oh, ethics committee will so many functions. Rather than there, maybe a member will make statement. We're not sure. Are we going to monitor every statement being made by a member? Always. No. The moment you do that, you may also stifle what we call free speech within the FA. It's as and when you weigh certain things, when you're extra careful as to the way that particular authority and that particular power is being exercised.
Never feel say before we make a statement when out of bitterness and out of
far from it. I'm making out of any bitterness. I'm making out.
No, but people say the referees take bribe before they. No, I'm saying that. More examples. More examples. I'm catching say. And there are so many people are aggrieved. People are not satisfied with the system. There's a need for football to be sanitized in this country. Do you agree?
Mama Kanchiro, going forward, I will also entreat the FA for workshops, seminars to also be organized on how young administrators, owners of clubs, and here football, the various stakeholders, how we can also conduct ourselves in the public. On here, easy, carrying yourself out there. We deal with myriad of factors or issues containing just ones at a given point in time. It's say me deal with say be the Kofi Apia waka sembi na me hwe na say asam na nkom ye But you become emotionally involved. The moment you become emotionally involved, you know, asembia but with one aba. And going forward, you do baby yana man or say, if you're kasemu and see so checkmate. Any statement that we put out there, one day will be called upon to justify why we said A or B. So we should also be mindful of that.
Recently, Haruna Idrisu, our minority leader, account on the floor of Parliament said more come achievement. One penny ever can, the achievement in the budget, honorable Ken of Ratano. More can every under 17 years say, under 20 years say, a man say, but you fail to, some of catch our inability quite fast for young to qualify to the World Cup, and that one of these days the FA must be hauled before Parliament to come and explain why Ghana did not qualify to the World Cup, one, and also your plan for to improve the performance of all our national teams, because you fail to, now, do you agree with the honorable minority leader?
If you ask me to come and explain why we did not qualify, I find nothing wrong with it. But the public must know. Any body we put to our public office, one thing out there, bear in mind that at any point in time, you must account for your stewardship. May a member of the Blasters, nation no spend scar on me. Mokwa, I'm entitled to a specialist and lead delegation as HOD, the kind of protocol that was ascribed to me. Some ministers do not even get it when they come for such tournaments. Yeah.
Ministers?
Yeah.
Any head of delegations don't enjoy it.
HOD, you are so powerful.
You are powerful?
Yes, you are so powerful. Saudi Arabia. Car was one for car for me and Buffer Heno.
As a head of delegation?
No, you only even the head. Yana, you wore cry. Massa, now chartered flight, a movie from Uganda to
Saudi Arabia.
Which will be that.
Won't be that.
My man was there, number one in Egypt.
And a football head?
Yes. Oh, man, I saw it. You have been a Makaji apology.
Personal
hazard.
But I'm saying that as a head of delegation, it is always a.
My mom question, I can't some fufro, Mesro. Man, come,
no, what say. You enjoy certain things. I even minister.
Yeah. So my banner say, as a member account for my stewardship, I find nothing wrong with it. The only drift I may in there, in the modern tenets of what we call corporate governance, we must be responsible, we must be transparent, we must be accountable for whatever we do in terms of resources put at our disposal.
Okay.
The only bit I'm into in there, second account, Marco tournament, Yoko Uganda, your purse holder, on na say a koto mokua, or koto eba, or had a idol wife. Now, I say Christmas time, Uncle shop Maoba. Wakwa baya, I say, wife de Uncle Kadana, Obanum account. You will not be asking the right person because I found wasn't a money. More got to transama man. So I got to transama man. I can't no number as a call that man. That was the password account. Password on your wife, no. And so I call Banner say, be my counter. No, your password and no by accounting. Yami. Me, Effie, I have nothing to do with money. Mosho budget is there when funds are expended. Anybody on your financial administration will tell you that. I have to go through the expenditure or the expenses incurred so far. Somebody will say incurred so far. You go through checks and balances. You go through area. No, I sign. You also countersign. Then we retire the budget that has been given to us. I pass with an secretary paper or spend we as our community one. I'm going to come now, Katsukazimu come free at Treasure, son of Bez.
No, but
other Nagas can account for. I don't have to account for it. Say, maybe now, young I'm supposed to go through what has been expended and establish the fact that secure we actually paid for Abia medicals. This we did this, we did that, we did this, we did that. But funds are given to the purse holder. Amount as a man ministry or pop up a camp and a training camp. Then he begins to spend. Or spend our we are no longer so often paper, wabo as I say in the bag. No, I call ministry, what I account for. And I mean, remember my bed. I'm a bisama, man, I'm to my catch and the Kotomo Kobi and other Koton Chinibi, or that mean bear explain and encounter. On the spot, I'm a war, Uganda. No, that expenditure will be fairly known to me. If you want me to answer to the question as to whether that expenditure was incurred solely beneficial to the squad and other, I'll be able to do that. Okay. But the moment you ask me after onward corrector, without my involvement, I don't think it's right. But, so we can go and explain.
Why the explanation more the explanation more the bani say.
And as I no, I don't see. Can I do see? Man, can I explain?
Now let me read this to you. Commission of Inquiry, no, my opinion, Adaji can once it's been trending this week. Fitting running and then Asama Sungo could be saying. Anyway, Erica said the body at the objection be about say, okay, say immortal na a conspiracy in the immortal.
I know conspiracy. Okay.
On my meme conspiracy.
I said, with the fighter.
So I go in the spirit.
I apologize.
I go into the spirit.
May you sorry be.
Do you want to go into the spiritual realm?
May you sorry be.
Now listen to this. Pama. Da Penny John Dramani Mama at the Commission of Inquiry after Brazil. At that time, now we are vice chairman of the Black Stars. But now you are. So if any implementation be you are supposed to be part. Now listen to this. I'm reading portions of it. Paragraph 3.2a. Or say sponsorship monies. Or say government accept the following recommendations of the commission. 1. Since the national team belongs to the state, all monies accruing from the leveraging on their brands, either directly or indirectly, belong to the state and must be accounted for accordingly. An account should be opened by the GFA with a local bank styled or styled sponsorship, quote and unquote, okay? Sponsorship funds for national teams. Sponsorship money must be fully accounted for and made public. About your national teams, Sikana Mode Kojino, Blaster, Sikana Mode Jijino. I buy recommendation in the white paper say be account first can into and make it public. But we see kind of way.
What kind of mass maybe I baby?
You see kind of way.
Maybe so what kind of mass baby?
Okay, have you opened the account?
No.
No, you no, but are you telling me
Mosho. Besiare so baba basro. Omodu wufi na akasompa. How possible is that? Besiare no go, I'll come and visit you. Kwa akasompa. And you are jumping the gun. Cannot put the cart before the horse. Since our kind of massemy, you have sponsorship on fire system mobile.
What's today?
Mr. Sensor, what year damn arrangement? Unsu on fire and got him, crown and sabi. It's our warrior now. It shows there. Maybe the corporate world through there. I will not give money freely from my coffers as a private individual. And the state will ask me to come and account for what I've given to this individual. If I'm a buyer there, so many football. Now, I'm a buyer there, I wasn't account for it. Is it possible? Is it proper corporate governance?
Because it's only me account. I'm not sponsorship. Are you saying Blasters need a single sponsor?
Oh, see, I know.
The Blasters need a sponsor.
About
Unibank sponsor.
Oh, what the hell?
But the recommendation says
what's the new ones? If you, or law, you cannot sign any agreement or any law to have retrospective effect. It's simple. To have retrospective effect.
Are you saying, say, ever since ade we buy no since 2015 no munya because we recommend
this sponsorship
I'm asking you, we say this white paper came in March 2015. From March 2015, 16, 17,
yenye bibia nke account for. GMP sikura na yeze boy yan se tadwe kakra bi na nkeka won kwa. This year House of Football Council kudi babu. Yeah, papa and at a point. Mosho say purse holder is waiting mazine kodu Mozambique. Ma player kore we pra. Order will seek medical attention and MRI in Mozambique about $4,000 involved. Now head of delegation, you need them scan one. Now kada one conduct them MRI now call person than was say they never give me the budget for medicals. Oh yeah, so you have to turn to another member. Patron no man aza waka kan one was saved. Yes, they saved the situation.
Are you ready to go and tell Parliament how you intend to improve on the performance of our national team?
Why is it?
I don't know how to do so. We cannot continue to spend money on our national team. Once a year in 2016 you didn't do anything. Your national team how do you why ready and how do you intend to do it?
Well, sure, very easy. We have a blueprint. People tend to talk.
However, we haven't said it.
Strategic business plan. When I can. So many sessions. It's up to 2019. Almost sure. Don't deny. You are before the public. You are before the public. But why they went?
No, I'm saying that I have up to 20.
Messi, your blueprint. You were up to 2019. So seek and Isha.
Okay, fine. So how do you intend to improve on the performance?
Whole topic.
Okay, so why were we not able to qualify to the World Cup? Why?
Oh, I'm Mirado factors.
Mirado factors saying.
You were technical.
Why?
You were technical.
I don't have blueprint. I'm qualified to the World Cup.
Moina.
Blueprint. I'm why 2019.
Mosho, you have an excellent plan, but the critical factor is funding. If you don't give me the needed funds, now we in this guy need a chum. We in this guy need a chum.
The Black Stars is always funded by government.
What's the hope in that Benkwan? Because they be a white is now Benkwan agakam. Na yen. Oh, in that Benkwan. But I may wish you be every competition that we enter as Ghana, we should always qualify. Came with there, yeah, what done botano, so other nations now you are competing also what done botano. Egypt. For over 20 years, they have never participated in the World Cup. And you are saying that, oh, you're more human than them. They should never participate.
Commissions, final one, we on this note. Or say, government accept the following recommendations of the committee. Mm-hmm. The government of Ghana should continue to fund national teams under the terms and conditions stated in the commission's report. Funding. So what are you talking about funding? Yeah, we are funding the national teams. Are we not funding?
Sure.
We are funding.
Sure.
Taxpayers' money.
And you know, but if them money chop money, but them chop money. If you want to young katamkwan, and so I'm a mobile like super. Na debia mukongwan gwetin na beza. Makere mukun se pede di akante na wo friend no abenkwana na de katamkwana na top up. Say, credit. Or say, top up. Masa, certain budget undin katsangwan.
Ojafo, we friend Kwaku Osepama, vice chairman of the Black Stars Management Committee. Now, almost time na yentimi qualified to the World Cup.
A bad record. Very bad record.
And
Ebi ayensu time between a win AFCON.
Yeah, fine. But I'm saying that your time you couldn't qualify us to the World Cup.
Factual.
Yeah. Okay. Now, me no ebe we just about.
Well, no, but can I about 2 tributes now. My order. Man, I'm telling you.
Recently, GFA no day 3-year calendar be by Tramontin said. Now, we will follow a 3-year calendar continuous. People feel say even a year calendar for the past 5, 6, 7 years, you have never been able to say mubet mako one year calendar from what me are running on. BNC uninterrupted. How can you run a 3-year calendar successfully?
And see, Pedro Kachem, then you power on.
Tell me how you
the beer, my time, the Metrabio, no other Mijina with a man. Ah, I'm a show nipa progress.
But Timubet me aye.
Adrian there, it's now more program where I'm a son. When you're serious, when you're very poor administrators, at the dear to Diaudu. Iduma would no tum. That's it. It's here what Damatimano. We have factored into consideration comments being passed by more journalists, contributors to programs, other administrators. There, you will program it. Let's just follow it to the letter. Yeah, when Joseph Penson moved out, it was the 24th week. Since he moved out, we struggle with yen matches. But I had to let the boy go. Because my head, let me pursue me club agenda, match against the boy. The boy would have stayed in the country. Now me bottle up ne qualities or what would I have gained out of the boy who still? We played 6 solid matches without a player, our register. Wafa went through the same while about 8 of their players traveled. Just because we don't have a synchronized calendar. Within the time or whether your business, you transfer players, no man can't show football, no, sisi or sika or your friend then money oriented. So money oriented there, all clubs should be given the opportunity when the windows are open. The world tour players are so or they to your boy and we don't need and I doors crack on. You dispose of the player so that we'll be able to bring in more money and recruit. At the end of it, I meet my youth. Munkoto has a folk player. Munkoto player. Moko grassroots. Moko grassroots and some Mukoto player if you are. One so or one one. No, I can't for more. Then the chain.
But many people believe you can never adhere strictly to this 3-year calendar. Even the 3-year calendar. Because history has proven history. History last year you couldn't most start a league in February. Was calendar shows
I laugh in capital letters.
No, but the season you're supposed to start in August. In August we were playing last year's league. Movie this year league in August, movie in October.
What is wrong with that?
Yeah, but I'm saying that you couldn't adhere to it.
Every league system you are run through 2 seasons or 2 calendar.
Yeah, but I'm saying that the month and the date next time we don't want me to adhere to it.
No, yes, yeah.
From a large Gusa's case up to now. Then the chance 3 years.
Yes, yeah. You be follow religiously. What's it? Sepede who papa sebe no to one. For Zuke Sinegrai. Here, yes, yeah, be. But
you haven't given us a reason to believe something.
What reason am I buying there? Mama 1 year. Mama 3-year program. And you still believe they're moving to me.
I don't know. More data, more board office badges near the house. Man for date for election 2019 anxious. What didn't you?
Election.
No, you are doing a calendar.
Maybe so.
More the office badges near the house. Next year elections. Pama. Next year elections or any calendar.
What has election got to do with?
But it's part of the calendar.
With legal. And this has nothing to do with season. That was a count. That was a count.
FIFA badge.
Referees won the matches.
Coaching course. Women.
Coaches, you want to obey. You know,
move for calendar and count.
About calendar.
Election date.
And why the election or how? But so elections.
No, but election. But of course we
must. Elections. And you know for a fact the elections are established. Election of the president will be in August. Elections of the executive committees will be in September. It's 2019 August. That will be the time that known. Okay. Established fact because I say what presidency or end after 4 years.
Okay.
Kwesi was inaugurated before all of us. That was in August. Yeah, by September. That is how come most of the elections are here, where presidential and some are back.
Just a final one.
Because elections, I remember the say August. I'm gonna terminate my tenure because I'm supposed to go 4 years. Mean this September until do 4 years.
Okay. Just before you go, and as a baby, you've made to apologize to the GFA ESCO and the minister. Why regret it for making those comments?
Oh, Dabi. Making what comment? Apology.
The comments that you made there, you say go and apologize.
No? Sure.
The comment that took you to the Ethics Committee.
Sure. On what I feel. It's not about what I feel. Me a member of an association.
Have you regretted? Asked, why regret it now?
It's not about that. Me regret it and come in Bejina on my friend. I think I my apologize. Me Bejina Adom FM.
Adom TV.
Adom TV don't catch on me apologize. Then me nyatwem. Me no be hypocritical. If I don't believe in something, I would have fought up to the highest level. Nipa say ato mra unethical comment, inappropriate comment. Why would I have to argue?
Not against your conscience.
Far from it. Against my conscience, I will come out and say it as it is.
So for Wilfred Kweku Osei-Pama, always a pleasure to talk to this gentleman. He's very affable, or a nice gentleman. I have some battalions around. I just say they are here. I was for you see Kweku, but I say some of you who play in Division 1.
Yeah.
Yes, your friend, the wilderness of Ghana football.
Well, I don't call it wilderness.
I wish you were the best in the wilderness.
I understand
of
the business of football. Yeah.
Yeah. Still, I beton. There be Levenum. You say pension. More euros on the way coming. Any problem? Hey, euros. No, yeah. Football is our business. Wilfred Kweku Osei-Pama is the vice chairman of the Black Stars.
What's someone? Maybe said about football waiter. What's someone? Maybe said about football waiter.
20th. Mark this date. Because 20th something good will happen. I wish I for me did the Kwajo Ben Samuel show. With the production TV in our say. Wilfred Kweku Osei-Pama and I'm in nutrition common. He's the chairman of the finance committee of the Ghana Football Association, chairman of Tema Youth, and also vice chairman of the Black Stars Management Committee. Osan Eye, an executive committee member. Yami had more channel Pashiame, Asempa 94.7 FM, so on the Ultimate Sports Show. Yes, Bye bye.